Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. In today's video I'll try to show you whether we can play PUBG at 90 FPS in this Mi11X device or not. As you can see friends, the Mi11X has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset and phone has got even 120Hz refresh rate, so we should be capable enough of playing the 90 FPS out of the box. So let's see friends, what are the things you need to know about this phone as well. And recently I did upload another video on the default graphics settings, what you can actually play in this phone. So make sure to watch that video as well regarding the gameplay using the default settings without using any GFX tool, and it is the 4G data speed test results as well. So I'm trying to do plenty of videos on this Mi11X in the next couple of days, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos if you're really interested to know everything about this device. So let's get started friends. First thing is first, let me try to open refresh rate. So I selected the 120Hz refresh rate. So before starting the test, I thought of showing you. So 120Hz, and during this process of demonstration, there is no GFX or any other application is used. So right now it is a PUBG gameplay, so which is available. So let me try to start playing the game, open the game. So let's see friends, whether we can play with a 90 FPS update or not. Another thing is that I'm using this Redmi K40 as well. So you might be wondering, Mi11X right now it's getting launched in India, and even there is no PUBG gameplay support as well in India, but there's another applications where you can use using the VPN. I'll try to make a video on that one as well. So right now it's showing a message unable to access, but there is another VPN applications, so which will be helpful to open the gameplay. So once you enable the VPN services, then definitely the PUBG gameplay is automatically open, as you can see friends. So let me try to quickly show you what is the default graphics settings. So without using any kind of GFX tool, so no GFX tools is used. So let me try to show you what is a 90 FPS, whether it's supported or not. So that is what our whole video is about. So let me try to show you friends, smooth and extreme. As you can clearly see, there is no 90 FPS support. So normally the Snapdragon 870 chipset, which should be very much powerful enough to play the 90 FPS PUBG gameplay friends without any issues, because previously I do have this Realme X2 Pro which has the Snapdragon 855 plus chipset, which did worked a lot better. So 90 FPS is also the phone got update as well, 90 FPS, but right now the Snapdragon 870 chipset still did not get the update, as you can see here. So this is a phone which is a Redmi K40. Usually I am using this phone for the past of 30 to 40 days of usage. So a couple of times I did update the game and even the phone as well, but no other updates has brought this 90 FPS support right now. So same thing it's gonna happen even in the Mi11X as well friends. So if you're planning to buy the Mi11X device, so you won't be seeing this 90 FPS option unfortunately. So maybe in the future updates you might be able to see that kind of options. So but right now there is no 90 FPS gameplay possible in this phone, so unless you use any other third-party applications. So that's it friends, this is a small review on this 90 FPS support test in this phone, and for more videos make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.